May nararamdaman ka na bang mga ganito? Pananakit ng buto at kasukasuan, panghihina ng katawan, paglabo ng paningin o panghina ng pangdinig. Kung oo, baka nakakaranas ka na ng signs of aging. Ang pagtanda or aging is a natural process. And it is important to age strong every day. Ilan pa sa mga signs na ikaw ay nagkakaedad na ay ang mga sumusunod. Unang-una, your muscle mass declines. Pangalawa, your bones become more brittle. Pangatlo, your skin loses elasticity. And lastly, maaaring makaranas ng memory loss. To help us age strong everyday, lalong-lalo na ang ating mga lolos and lolas, importante ang daily nutrition by eating fruits and vegetables, having a healthy diet, and of course, exercise. Makakatulong din ang pag-inom ng milk supplements katulad ng Anlin Total 10. Meron itong 10 essential benefits mula sa 28 vitamins and minerals para ma-enjoy nila ang kanilang time with their kids and grandkids. Keep in mind that aging strong is a gradual and continuous natural process. That's why it is crucial to age in a healthy and strong way. Age strong with Anlin Total 10. Mag-ingat po kayo parati! I'm Dr. Lian. Follow for more health tips.